Yet, many avoid discussing it due to the stigma that having it is shameful. Your question? How would you, as fashionista queen, help promote social awareness like HIV awareness and encourage young people to get involved and get tested? In Filipino, nananatiling pandaigdigang pandemya ang HIV, subalit maraming tao ang umiiwas na pag-usapan ito dahil sa stigma na nakakahiya ang pagkakaroon nito. Tanong, paano mo bilang fashionista queen maitutulong na itaas ang kamalayan sa lipunan tungkol sa HIV at hikayatin ang mga kabataan na makilahok at magpa-test?
Thank you. As being part of Fashionista Queen, year 14, I am very proud and privileged that I have attended the HIV awareness, and my knowledge that gained in this competition, I will use that to share to other people, especially the youth at my age, to be influenced and to be aware about the HIV. And it's not a shame to have HIV. Well, in fact, you can protect yourself from having it by following the ABCD and by learning how to say no. Let's always put in our minds that always learn to say no, that it's not the right time for us to engage in this kind of activities for us to have HIV. And I believe in the saying that prevention is better than cure. So the youth at my age, let us start the change with us. Thank you.
Okay, so we can see that she is a